Good morning, children. What we studied in the last class? We studied addition, isn't it? So today we are going to see the subtraction. Okay, so listen here. So your second unit, the second topic is subtraction. So why we subtract? We subtract to find what is left over or to find what is missing. Okay, so what is the subtraction symbol? Subtraction symbol is minus. So what are the terms we are using in subtraction? So the first, listen, in this subtraction sum, then the number from which another number is subtracted is called minuend, and the number which is being subtracted is called subtrahend, and the answer we are getting now, that is called the difference. Okay, the large number is called the minuend and this number is called subtrahend, and the answer we are getting now, that is called the difference. So what are the keywords used in subtraction? Listen here. So these are the possible keywords used in subtraction. Listen carefully. So first one, difference, left, remain, taken away, given away, how many more than. Once again I repeat, difference, left, remain, taken away, given away, how many more than. These are the keywords used in subtraction word problems. Okay, children. Now let us see the properties of subtraction. Listen here, properties of subtraction. First property, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, when 0 is subtracted from any number, the answer is the given number itself. For example, 2589 minus 0 is equal to what? The given number itself. So listen. So if you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the number what? The answer is the given number itself. So 2589 minus 0 equal to 2589. Okay, this is the first property. And second property, when 1 is subtracted from a number, okay, the answer is, that is the difference is the predecessor of a number. What is predecessor of a number? Predecessor means the given number minus 1. Okay, so for example, this is the given number 4567 minus 1 is equal to 4566. Okay, this is a predecessor of a number. So when 1 is subtracted from any number, you will get the answer as a predecessor of a number. And third property, when a number is subtracted from itself, okay, when a number is subtracted from itself, the answer, that is the difference, is always 0. For example, 2 minus 2 0, 10 minus 10 0, and 743 minus 743 is 0. Let us see some exercise problems. Let us see some exercise. Listen here. So first question, subtract and check by addition. So this is the first question. You have to subtract, okay, then check your answer by addition. Listen carefully. So this is the given sum, okay, 4858 minus 1708. Okay, listen carefully. You subtract, okay, 8 minus 8 is 0, and 5 minus 0 is 5. 8 minus 7 is 1. Then 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, this is I told you, this is minuend, this is subtrahend, and this answer is difference. So this is the answer. You are going to check your answer whether your answer is correct. Now listen, what you have to do is you write the answer. Okay, I am going to check your answer. Check. You write the answer. Okay, plus you add the subtrahend, this number. So 1708. You add these two numbers. Once again I repeat, you add this difference answer, okay, this answer plus this subtrahend. So you add these two numbers, okay, add this. So 0 plus 8 is 8, 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 1 is 8, 3 plus 1 is 4. Now what you get the answer? Listen here, you get the answer as minuend, isn't it? the top number and your answer by adding this difference number and this subtrahend, you will get the top number. So your answer is correct. Okay. Next sum, you subtract 52,849 minus 36,537. So 9 minus 7 is 2, and again 4 minus 3 is 1, and 8 minus 5 is 3. Now see here, we cannot subtract 6 from 2. So what we have to do? We have to borrow. So borrow from this 5. So 5 will become 4 and this 2 will become 12. Now you subtract 12 minus 6. The answer is 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, this is the answer. Now you are going to check your answer. What you have to do? So check. Okay, you write the answer 16,312 plus what you have to add? You have to add this number. Okay, so 36,537. Now you add the answer. So 2 plus 7 is 9 and 3 plus 1 is 4. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 6 plus 6 is 12. So you have to write 12. So you have to write 2 here and 1 is carry over to the other place. Okay, next place. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus that carry over number. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So 52,849. So now see, you get the another number, that is the top number, 52,849. Now your answer is correct. Okay. Next, find the difference. Find the difference. So first sum, 84,664 minus 64,065. Now listen carefully. So now we cannot subtract 5 from 4, isn't it? So what we have to do? We have to borrow. So borrow from this 6. 6 will become 5 and this 4 will become 14. Okay. Now you subtract 14 minus 5. So 14 minus 5 is, how will you subtract? So you count after 5, okay, up to 14. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many fingers we have? 9. So the answer is 9. Now next, we cannot subtract 6 from 5. So what we have to do? We have to borrow. So we have to borrow from this 6. This 6 will become 5 and this 5 will become 15. Now we subtract 15 minus 6. So how will you subtract? You have to count the number from after 6. Okay. So 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers we have? 9. So you write 9. Next, 5 minus 0 is 5. I told you 0 property, isn't it? So find any number, 0 is subtracted from any number means the answer is given number itself. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. So this is your answer, 20,599. Now consider the second sum. So what is the sum? 9,68,521 minus 6,23,123. Now listen carefully. So we cannot subtract 3 from 1. So what we have to do? We have to borrow. So this 2 will become 1 and this 1 will become 11. Now you subtract 11 minus 3. So 11 minus 3 is, count it. So you count after 3 up to 11. Okay, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many fingers we have? 8 fingers. So 11 minus 3 is 8. And next, we cannot subtract 2 from 1. What we have to do? We have to borrow. So we have to borrow from this 5, 5 will become 4 and this 1 will become 11. So subtract 11 minus 2. So 11 minus 2 is 9. Then see the next number, 4 minus 1 is 3 and 8 minus 3 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. The answer is 3,45,398. Next we can see the word problem. Next children, we see the word problem of subtraction. So first sum, okay, listen carefully. In a particular month, Mrs. Shukla earned rupees 58,600 and spent rupees 42,863. Find her savings. Once again, listen. In a particular month, Mrs. Shukla earned rupees 58,600 and spent rupees 42,863. Find her savings. So listen. So Mrs. Shukla earned 58,600 and she spent, okay? She spent rupees 42,863. Find her savings, okay? So listen, how will you write the wordings? So solution, Mrs. Shukla earned how much she earned? She earned rupees 58,600. She spent, Mrs. Shukla spent. So how much she spent? So she spent rupees 42,863. Now what we have to find? We have to find her savings. So how much money remains? So this is subtraction word problem. So Mrs. Shukla savings equal to, so we have to subtract, listen carefully, we cannot, so put the subtraction symbol here, so we cannot subtract 3 from 0, what you have to do, we have to borrow, so here also 0, we cannot borrow from here, so we have to borrow from this 100 place, so this 6 will become 5 and this 0 will become 10, from this 10 we have to borrow 1, so okay, this 10 will become 9, now this 0 will become 10, okay, now subtract 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3 is 7 and you subtract 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, then see the 100 place. Now we cannot subtract 8 from 5. So what we have to do? We have to borrow. So from this 8. So 8 will become 7. This 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 8. So count after 8. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many fingers we have? 7. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Next 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5 and last 5 minus 4 is 1. You put the rupee symbol, okay. Now the answer is 15,737. So Mrs. Shukla saves how much? 15,737. This is the answer. See the next sum children. 17,500 flowers were packed for a marriage party. 17,500 flowers were packed for a marriage party. Out of these, 859 flowers rotted. Rotted means in Tamil, aligi poiru. Next, and had to be thrown away. Had to be thrown away. How many flowers were left? How many flowers were left? So left means, I told you keyword of subtraction. Left means subtraction word problem. So once again I am reading the question. 17,500 flowers were packed off for a marriage party. Out of these, 859 flowers rotted and had to be thrown away. How many flowers were left? So, this is subtraction word problem. So, solution. So, how will you start? Total number of flowers. So, total number of flowers. So, total number of flowers how much? Equal to 17,500. Okay. Now, number of flowers rotted. Number of flowers rotted equal to how much flowers rotted? 859. Where we have to write? So, we have to write from here. So, 9, 5, 8. So, you put subtraction symbol. Therefore, put the therefore symbol. Therefore, number of flowers left. So, number of flowers left. We have to subtract. So, listen. So, we cannot subtract 0. We cannot subtract 9 from 0. Isn't it? So, what we have to do? We have to borrow. So, we cannot borrow from here. So, borrow from this 5. So, 5 will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. From this 10 we have to borrow 1. So, 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. So, 10 minus 9 is 1. And see the next place. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. And we cannot subtract 4 minus 8. What we have to do? We have to borrow from this 7. 7 will become 6. Okay. This 4 will become 14. So, 14 minus 8 is what? 14 minus 8. So, you count 8 after up to 14. So, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, how many fingers we have? 6. So, 14 minus 8 is 6. Now, here is no digits, okay, you put 0. So, 6 minus 0 is 6. Now, 1 minus 0 is 1. So, the number of flowers left equal to 16,641. This is the answer. Now, children, I will give some worksheet, do it by yourself. Okay, thank you. See you in the next class.